ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 17th of December. Wow, 8 days away from Christmas. Where did the year go? Hey, check this out. Yesterday morning, look at Mount Sheehaw. Snow is coming down, the ground getting white. That would just be a great time to be up there in one of their cabins or a chalet. Nice to see that wintry scene across the state. Had snow flurries over a pretty good chunk of East Alabama yesterday morning, as expected. But this morning, the flurries are gone. It's just cold. There's a look at downtown Clanton. Christmas lights looking good there. And temperatures are as cold as the upper teens in some of the colder valleys. We'll post a full list of the lows on the blog later this morning. There's a look at the lights of the city of Gadsden coming from the Skycam there up in Etowah County. Here's our water vapor satellite imagery this morning. Big storm winding down in the northeast United States. And they've had enough snow for a whole season up there. And winter's not even officially here yet, at least based on astronomy. And around here, we'll have a bright sunny day today with a pretty decent warm-up. The flow is beginning to go more zonal, and it's going to be very active for the rest of the month and the year. In keeping up with the timing and the intensity of the individual short waves more than a few days in advance will be very hard to do. We're just going to say it's very active, very changeable here. Temperatures this morning, man, it's cold over that snowpack up there. Looks like about 7 at Omaha. I see a 5-degree reading over Iowa. And up north, minus 26 Fahrenheit over Canada. So cold air still dominates much of the United States. And it's getting cold even down there in Florida. Notice the 40s down there now. So the warm air is pretty much out of here for a while. Now that looks good. Check this out. This is the expected rain across the country valid through Friday evening. And this is showing around 1 inch of rain here. And that would be with the system on Thursday. And then another one we'll deal with over the weekend. And we'll take a look at both of those in the modeling here. And also we note that the guys at Norman have a severe weather risk now for day 5 and day 6. That's Friday and Saturday. And the day 6 outlook includes about the southern 2/3 of Alabama. So the big question, can we modify the air from this cold continental polar to a more tropical air mass and maybe get some rough storms in here at some point this weekend? Let's talk about it. This is the 06ZGFS, valid at noon today. Easy forecast today. The flow is going zonal. We have dry air, so expecting a high in the low to mid-50s today after our sub-freezing start this morning. Tomorrow, same deal. Should be a partly sunny day. A little warmer. We'll probably see readings maybe in the low 60s or upper 50s. And then Wednesday, some moisture return begins, and this is printing out the possibility of maybe a little light rain here. For the moment, we really just mentioned only a small chance, and I don't think we'll get much on Wednesday, although clouds will likely increase. Now, Thursday, there comes your short wave, and that will be by far the day with the better opportunity of rain through Friday. And there's a look at the system coming through here, and that looks fairly wet. The GFS has been advertising this for, 10 days now. So, again, we'll mention rain at times and maybe a thunderstorm on Thursday. Friday, that wave is gone. The next was forming out there in the lee of the Rockies. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, the 22nd, here comes our big long wave trough across the middle of the country. And at the surface on Saturday, the primary rain with this feature during the day is still west of here. And we'll go to Sunday, and here it comes the trough on through. And the showers and storms are beginning to move out. So really, this run beginning to focus on late Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday morning is the primary target for rain and storms. And again, you saw that slight risk in the day 6 outlook there for maybe some strong storms here. And again, this is going to be the kind of pattern where you really do want to take them one at a time. We really need to get Thursday's wave out of here, and then we can be really specific on that weekend wave. Monday of next week, Christmas Eve, a week from today. Looks cold and dry. And Christmas Day looks cool and dry. Nothing exceptionally warm, nothing exceptionally cool, just right for late December. And it's amazing. We've seen modeling all over the road out here through the month. But now we're getting almost within our 7-day period, we're getting increasing confidence that Christmas Eve and Christmas Day will be nice and calm with temperatures near normal. Next major storm showing up on the 28th. Now, this is voodoo out here because this is way beyond 7 days, but if you take this on face value, that's a pretty wicked-looking system for the 28th, and that suggests rain and storms and a sharp change to colder weather. And yeah, we see the thickness lines plunging there, but again, we got a long way to go before we get there. And then on the 29th, that thing is gone. And look at this, the end of the forecast cycle here, the end of the forecast period, January 1, 2008. And that shows a northwest flow aloft and calm weather. But again, confidence in anything beyond 5 days, specifically, especially in this active pattern, is going to be small for a while. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.